Okay, let's say you have two clips in the timeline, one in track 1 and one in track 2, and you want to have a frozen frame of 3 seconds in the first track. So, I deactivate audio. It is not important for this kind of tutorial. First of all, select that you want to have a snapshot file name and a file as a destination. It is important for the method that I show you. Okay, to achieve your goal, there are two possibilities. I show you both. Select where you want to have the frozen frame in the first track. Select Tools, Action Camera Center. As you can see, the position of the cursor doesn't change, as it is exactly the same as in the timeline of Power Director. Now, in the left part of the screen, there is a function Add Freeze Frame. And you can adjust the length of the freeze frame, and we set 3 seconds. As you can see, the clip in the first track is lengthened for exactly 3 seconds, the length of the frozen frame. And if I play the clip, you can see the frame is frozen for exact 3 seconds and then runs again as normal. But unfortunately, as you can see here, the type of clip has changed to action camera clip. So all the possibilities to adjust values for the clip, as you do maybe for a normal clip, a non-action camera center clip, as fix enhance or designing and other tools, are not possible any longer for this type of clip. I don't like that solution, so I'll show you another one. Same part of the image without the frozen frame from the action camera center. Choose again the position, and you have to see that if you let Power Director make a freeze frame, he makes a snapshot of the preview window. So if you don't want to have all of the scenes in your preview window as a frozen frame, then you have to deselect the camera, the clips, the tracks, the video part of it for the clips that you don't want to have in your frozen frame. In my little tutorial, I deselected the clip on the second track because I don't want this content in my frozen frame. And again, I can do what you did, edit video frame, freeze frame. And as you said, the snapshot is inserted in the first track, but unfortunately, the second track is also cut. And we don't want that. So I make a little undo right after this action. And the situation is just as before, but Power Director inserted the created snapshot in the media library. So what you can do now is cut the selected clip at that exact position where you did the snapshot, and now you can insert your snapshot at that position. Choose Insert, and only the first track will be cut and the snapshot will be inserted. The second track will not be affected, and now you can activate it as before, and now you have a nicely frozen frame in the first track, and you can choose the length as you want. You can shorten it or lengthen it, and then you have the effect that you wanted to have.